Well, si AC Reed is still with the team and every day he's reporting to the practice but he cannot practice with us yet because of his situation. And I think he don't want to aggravate his situation but we don't know yet in the next few days what will happen. But if we keep on winning, so let's see. But the door is still open for anybody. Actually, any import naman hanggat hindi natatapos, nandiyan yung possibility. What more, kung meron kang darating na Barkley, why not? Ala Barkley, ganyan. Ganun naman talaga ang buhay ng import But we're playing well right now, with or without import, So we don't want to disrupt, the flow of, our game. Yeah, Asian import, I think he'll be arriving tomorrow. Okay, he's from Jordan, highly recommended by Raiko Toroman, national player of Jordan.